Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. So, today I'm going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner. It is the first spread of darkness and Halloween. So, yeah, if you want to see this, join me and I'll be happy to plan this with you. Okay, so let's get to it. As you can see, I changed the cover to brown. I probably should change the discs, but I do like how they look with the black on my pictures, especially for the month of October. So I think I might keep them. I haven't decided yet, but for right now, it is what it is. So we are planning in my catch-all planner, which is the Sketchy Florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. The sticker book that I'm using today is from the lovely eStarCase. My code is PLAN. If you're planning to purchase, I would really appreciate if you used my code. It helps me a great deal. Okay, so as always, I'm gonna go ahead and start with all of the checklist because that is like my main forte, and I need a checklist on every single day. It's going to be a fun one, so just bear with me as I do it. So a little darkness, a little introduction into the Halloween. I think I'm looking forward to it because I think it will be good, and let's go from there. So checklists everywhere. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. If you're not subscribed and you like videos like this, please do so. It helps me a great deal and it makes me super happy. So yeah. And then if you're coming back to spend more time with me, you guys know I adore all of you. And I'm thankful for each and one of you and being able to spend time together. So yeah, there we go. Thanks for... And if you guys are not subscribed, also please do so if you like videos like this. And if you're coming back, clearly you do. So I'd really appreciate that. And we're on to the last day of the checklist. So the minute we do that, I can go ahead and start decorating, doing boxes, and all the amazing things. So let's get to it. So the first thing I'm pulling is this the boxes are the scalped boxes from Mojo Jojo. I chose scalped because I think it will give it like a little bit of a fun flair in here. So we can use those. So I'm gonna use like half boxes for events, and I'm gonna use the tiny boxes for my work schedule. So if you are a purchaser of Mojo Jojo plans, like I am, I think I have every single sticker book of hers. I highly recommend this scalloped one. It is a lot of fun. I like that one, and I like the dots and like different shapes and sizes too. So those are the fun ones for me. The sticker book that I'm using is called Midnight Rose. It is very like elegant, almost like Paris darkness, red roses, black roses, very elegant ladies. You will see, like, very different. So I'm going to be using them like so. I'm gonna add some black roses to the corners because I really like that. I know it's not for everybody, but I really do like that. So they're very vibrant. So if you have this book, you will know what I'm talking about. So these are on clear that I just put all of the stickers so far. And even with the clear, look how much like color and vibrancy there is behind them. So as you can see, I did the whole street on the corner, and I put another shop within like 2 boxes. So I really like doing stuff like this. It helps me, it just helps me kind of like break up my pages. And as you saw, I also did the checklist kind of all over. I used to keep them more top and middle, or top or just middle. Right now I'm just playing with it and kind of putting them all over and seeing how that goes. So that's kind of where the change came from, and I do like it, and we're gonna keep it. Okay, so 2 more boxes and I'll be able to call those kind of a day. Okay, so here we go. Those are my boxes. Yes, it's a lot. And yes, I know that with the scalp, it's even more, but I really don't mind. I really like the scallops. Like I said, they do kind of make me happy. So I'm going to continue using them. So I use mostly 2 different sizes. I use the tiny ones like those, and I use the 1/3 of the box. I don't know what it is about it, but it just really speaks to me. So those are the boxes I feel very comfortable with in my planner. They give me enough space to write in them without making it overly crowded, and also not too much white space in them when I write. Okay. So here we go. I'm just fixing that one because it was crooked and it will drive me nuts. So just adding things. Okay. Did you see that tray of desserts and the coffee? They're just stunning. Like, I cannot get enough of these images. This is on paper, so I'm able to like layer it on top. I'm gonna make a little seat in the streets. Not sure what made me do that, but that's what it's going to be. We're gonna put suitcases right on top of Tuesday, and they're going to kind of sit on top of the boxes. I'm gonna deal with it. And then let's see, what else can I add here? I do need some kind of girl. I really do want this like sign of nothing. I could write signs on them. I guess like I could write names on them, but I am not doing that right now. And then yeah, I don't like that stick covering up roses either. So let's figure out a way to make this happen. So I can go ahead and place it down. I think that looks good. Yeah. So the major parts of the spreads are done. Now I just need to focus on filling in smaller parts of the spread. So we're talking about like the areas above and below boxes. The sidebar needs to be a little bit more decorated for me to be happy with it. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm missing some kind of maybe an individual in here, so I would like a girl. Let's see, who should I put? Let's put like a kind of sassy one, maybe. Okay, let's see. I think I like this one. She has like the whole vibe, and I don't know, it just looks good with this, so I'll just keep it as it is. And then a couple more things, not too many. We just need to add tiny touches all over. So like flowers on Thursday and Saturday, and maybe Tuesday. So Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, like every other day. So I'm gonna put this rose right there, and I think that looks good. I'm gonna take another, let's put this butterfly down too. Like, why not make this a whole thing? Yeah, I think that looks good too. Let me know what you guys think. Like, do you think the scallops with this are too much, or is it good? Like, where are you guys with this spread? Like, good, bad, medium? I don't know, nobody cares. I get so into my spread sometimes that like I forget that you guys are watching, or like I will ask questions like in real time and expect an answer, which is ridiculous, but like it's either or. It's never just like in the back of my mind or like only slightly partially. So it's either full on or nothing. Like it's such a weird way to think, but it is what it is. Okay, so I added the roses and I think I am good. If I need more stickers, I can always add throughout the week. But welcome to October. Let me know what you guys think. And I can't wait to share this with you post filling it out. I'll see you guys soon for another plan with me. Thanks for joining me today and have a great week ahead. I can't wait to have another session with you guys. Have a great day. Bye.